Golong ne go dial ka nam studio wala me yago ben takel gadun ngo fanandun na Fiji mashar so nam studio takel Fiji wala takel gaje ko bayetish ke tana nin mi yela na latis gaje male
Mal waga nam studio.
question number 1 onen take ne ko non wante te kwai ko onen en word Fiji lunungu so goro be interpret ko kabi fan gunung wano ba ngai ke no Fiji lu
Thank you so much, nam studio. Silo that help ko na ta studio ni kai je kai wala. First of all, an fan nam studio mo go. Maga progress ta nam studio. I do support the kai they encourage go na keep going. Right la ni ku wiagwa. So wiagwa and very soon we allow media hours mudi go. So mutu ne ne wi mon kai le. BBC kana mishala Al Jazeera atoka kana tuga medan. So kakaton chikala international media houses. So the same thing to Nam Studio. We are one yam. I believe ka mono koda we are not the good yana biya ka biya studio dun biya ja ko bela studio mudi mo international key national media house. So yeah, a lot of people like no PG Machar AP Lodena Powell G Lona got my
okay
which mean which PG Machar Paul Ganmai Mashar. Answer Sudanese. I came from Unity State, Barmashala Koit County, because Jiran, the Guama Bisin, Bukula Bala Ngaki. I'm South Sudanese, Baka Unity State, Raikin Kere Dwarishala Koit County, Yengwa Batin. So thank you so much.
Golong fanan question dong de thi ni ji ane ta dan me ta na rol gana ni me yidit kamra yi a wili go point a wil jan go ay ta me na rol ga man di do ni onan fay kamra nyo bul mel ko mo go long na ta me rol di long go kwidu and you are still being the subject tam ka media people are discussing about you mumdi larke na yan wa mo.
Thank you so much, Nam Studio. I wish you have been a while ago. Kel manyo jaw ba won na bi metelo ran bi do bi la. So kamala sha linga go abo bi la loy na. Yes, ngan panan. Ramu panan shara ka debre ka shara garnyal. Kalau nyal pièce que je wan kana man ko pièce que je mo cha de identify o nyame ba kwen chengal ka ba kwen wanene debre mo wi yero ide mo wade ba kamna lega wale run ba kamna ro mo la ba kamna real togo wo de yero ga de lun jaw tim yikap togo wo na de kap de per kap de do kap panan sila gwa mo sha nyotin wo na ba kan neje so sila gwada malawo ba kana ba kadi ne to no kada mo gwa so raja ka kui kama tuok raja ka kui noka raja ka kui porbel so raja ka tingwan wu mon an panan so antinga mashkala tinga jelo ay tinga feeling malawo ko feeling duwala ko feeling ko ne ka dang jimistik lel giran tinga feeling because til me duir giran mi do duira eteka ke doru na jara bite lo dila teka gok ko wona na la raga re dor lakin mun ngi rodo wona na tin mi lel so you feel free like me I feel free very comfortable even I'm increasing body to come back and release more than this song this songs I'm going to release more than those songs very soon as possible.
Và long Fanan. Okay, question dong dian. Thăm Fanan con ra Fanan con yani ga ga long. Cứ cầm nước kiện, cứ rồi điền. Cái cái món này nó còn bơ. Mà đi trong đi cầm cái. Này con đi quên Fanan con. Quên.
Yeah, thank you so much for that questions. Music point there along with Mughal. Kati kong ti la lat ke anas they take a type ke take afrobeaters ne lat ke na afrobeat take rappers ne kurap. So mi ben ka music with rap tere da ka ku mi di rai da. Mi shira mi shi understand da ngai no ne to shi ke je. Tere da ka mi shi ala beef. Beef, if you are not informed about rap, mi ngai no ka dong ne to shi ke je. But ayo quality rap wona mi ga magwa kan mi je.
Yes.
So they advise they la the one yes. Tell them let Panani they mabela the because they know what they are doing. They can net rappers so they let kapan the communities they the alter one monsieur no go one bijal ke la Panani. Ngeni je one take mo ka dong mo de gui ke gui je de la boa la kin ko che boa. So we no mo wet work ngeni one ta you know jo bila bijal ka Panani. So tati to borkoko. So mujili kel kana yana panan mishala braba kiss. Ke koko ke TR crazy. Nini yo wona ne te mude larjo TR crazy panan madong. So mudin da issue. Mo issue yo. Don't feel ashamed. Aja rap point aja music no aja industry ko kabano.
Which
Aja ta music no wona yan fan. Ya mi do dingre din ga ne kareo. Aja music point ko alane yo ko chubo ban ko chubo go bi music ko nore. Kesa sudah yang kucup kau ni mana kau lapan, ane kan music kau boom, don't feel ashamed. Mending lagi, distance yourself. Rafa could continue, atau panan could continue.
Thank you, Fanan Fiji. The last question on menanda sih jitam. Andi it song tu kon isha, guru orang di kon ke kiramat, William Goye, kena kuar selbakir ke bul melu kuar maga. So di go along a more cross scale and they could go.
Thank you so much, Nam Studio. Ngot kai na mo sample. Take a motor mo go away. So much of the song Malaja I will go. Indeed, I will go. Because me come jara di the more. So me bere do aran ka South Sudan now. Take a mashakal to one along. Accept Juba jana chambo mo peaceful amount. Outside Juba and take a tick of to one. But me you don't inshallah I will. They are living very peaceful life. They believe in themselves. They believe in their heart. So chiku bi chaba dong rama dong chago jekan. First of all take a diok to I will. You why a woman back on and I will go just I want to show people who I will is good, is peaceful. You go and see I will. Then we just go call from I will, come and pass it in your area. First of all, in I will, there is no cattle raiding. That is number one.
Yes.
There is no cattle raiding. There is no revenge killing in I will. There is no segregation that whether you are Nuer or you are Bari or Julu, as long as you are South Sudan or you are a human being, you can live your life in I will. I will then go. So and then if I come to freestyle the song, I will then go to again about we don't need them go. I will then go. I will then go. Oh, in the Alshalton. Oh, in the Alshalton. Shall you come? I will. Shall you come? Juba, be I will. Shall you come? Kenya, be I will. Yes. So let's go to a will and see. We call from there, we come and pass it in our area.